Okay, in indicators of social mental health. Okay, indicators of social mental health. By using these indicators, what is that? Means, for example, suicide or homicide or some crimes, okay, or some road traffic accidents or some smoking. Okay, in this we are find out the social mental health of the individual who are there in the community. Okay, in this community the people having some mental disturbances, okay, due to the psychological problems they are taking some more dangerous decision, that is the suicide or homicide. Okay, because of they don't know what we are lose by suicide. Okay, in a what is that by some activities or some type of negative behavior, we are some depression, the individuals are having one negative thought, that is the suicide or the homicide, because of some friendly disturbances or some love failures or some family disturbances or some economical problems or some type of whatever it may be, personal or family or community or a group of people, what relationship should be failure, or they are taking some negative meaning or simply exam failure. Okay, in teenage students, the inter or 10th like that students, they don't know, once we are getting some failureness in our final exams, we have one opportunity, that is the supply. Okay, when we will attend supply exams, we are get good result, or we are following by some guidance and counseling, we prepared like that, they are not tolerate that failure. Okay, once they are listen that failureness, immediately they are taking some depression or some dangerous decision like suicide or the homicide. Sometimes they are doing some crimes. Okay, and next sometimes this road traffic accidents. Okay, already we are discussed in previous videos, no, some road traffic accidents, unfortunately they lose their body parts. Okay, the body will be good, internal and external will be good, but the patient not doing their voluntary activities, because of they are losing their voluntary activity by effect of nervous system. Okay, నరాలకి ఈ యొక్క యాక్సిడెంట్ల వల్ల, రోడ్ ట్రాఫిక్ యాక్సిడెంట్స్ల వల్ల, ఏదో సడన్గా జర్నీ చేయడం వల్ల రోడ్ ట్రాఫిక్ యాక్సిడెంట్స్లో ఈ యొక్క నర్వ్స్ అనేవి ఫెయిల్యూర్ దే నార్మల్ ఫంక్షన్. ఓకే, డ్యూ టు దట్ ద పేషెంట్ బాడీ విల్ బీ హెల్దీ, బట్ ఫిజికల్ అపియరెన్స్ externally and internally, all organs, all that equipment, that parts should be healthy, but the functioning of nervous system should be failure. Okay, they are going to some depression. Okay, we are losing our voluntary activity, we can't walk, we can't run, we can't eat, we can't doing any activity. Okay, like we become a one stubborn, like that they are feel internally, they are get some psychological disturbances. Okay, like that they are going to get some type of homicide or suicide attempts. Okay, these are the indicators where find out how many members are suicide, what is the reason. Okay, ఈ కమ్యూనిటీలో ఎంతమంది సూసైడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు, ఎందుకు, రీజన్ ఏంటి? సమ్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ లవ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్, సమ్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్, సమ్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ డ్యూ టు ద యాక్సిడెంట్స్, సమ్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ దట్ ఫార్మర్స్. Okay, some members are employment loss. Okay, financially poor, like that the different situations, different laws will be there. Okay, that will be identified by using these indicators of social mental health. Okay, by observing this. Okay, some people are continuously chain smokers. Okay, they are continuously in the morning to evening, what type of they are having one habit, that is the smoking. Okay, they are know very well what is that smoking is harmful to our health. Okay, smoking can cause the dangerous cancer to the lungs, like that they know, but again they are doing that activity smoking. Okay, how many members are smokers is there in the community? Due to smoking, what is their side effects? Like that we are identified by doing these indicators of mental health. Okay, after assessment, after collection of information, okay, by using this one we are giving some guidance to the people. Okay, some guidance and counseling and for improving their social health. Okay, many of the people social interaction should be failure in between family members or in between couples or in between society people or in political problems or whatever it may be. In relationship failure also they are going to get some suicidal thoughts. Okay, as a healthcare providers, by using these healthcare indicators we are giving some social guidance. Okay, for improving their health, for preventing this suicide, homicide or some type of crimes. Okay, for prevention of road traffic accidents everyone should wear the helmet. Okay, everyone should follow the traffic rules. Like that we are giving some counseling to the each patient. Okay, next one is the socio-economic indicators. Okay, in socio-economic indicators what happens means here the rate of population increase means how many members of population is there in the particular geographical area. Okay, in a previous year, in present year and further. Okay, what is the population rate? Increased population or decreased population? What is that status of population? Okay, that will be identified by using socio-economical indicators. Here one is there, that per capita income. Per capita nothing but head of the family member. Okay, in family who is that head? Okay, head of the family member who is there, what is their income? Okay, what is their income? That one will be identified by this one. Okay, next one is the level of employment. Okay, in this level of employment, how many members are unemployed and how many members are having good employment. Okay, this regarding this report we are giving by using this socio-economic indicators. Okay, next one is the health policy indicator. Okay, in health policy indicators by providing some policies, some programs. Okay, here what is the resources, what is the adequate resources of people. Okay, adequate resources are available in the community or not. Okay, for example water supply or sanitation. Okay, or housing, what is their nutritional status, for development of community. Okay, na water supply. Okay, public water supply service will be there, no? Okay, that one, how many members are received by the mission Bhagirath water. Like that we are identified by using these indicators. Okay, in this nutrition, how many members are received particular nutritional. Okay, some Balawadi nutrition will be there, no? In Anganwadi, children's preschoolers or pregnant ladies or lactating mothers receive some food. Okay, some eggs, some milk powder. Okay, some iron rich diet. Okay, whatever it may be, the nutritious food will be provided by the government. That will be all the people received or not. Okay, how many members are receiving or how many members are not received. Okay, that one will be identified by using these health policy indicators. Okay, next one is the indicators of quality of life. Okay, for quality of life, what are the indicators will be available? In this, the quality of life, for example, measures their physical health. Next, their what is that physical and mental health? They are having a good health or bad health, or what is their status of people. For example, they are having a happiness in their life or satisfaction in their life or some gratification in their life. Okay, the people giving their answer, what is there? Okay, some member or telling story like okay, we are the small family people. Okay, here we have satisfaction in my life. Okay, some people are saying we are not having satisfaction in my life because of some social economical problems or some type of population whatever it may be, they are having some problems. Who are suffering with the problems there personally or environmentally, they are saying not satisfied in my life. Okay, like that they are saying. Okay, that type of information we are identified by the indicators of quality of life. Next one is the environment indicators. Okay, in this environment indicators, what we are observed means here that environment indicators is the reflex of physical and biological environment. Okay, physical and biological environment when the diseases or in which the people live. Okay, in this name itself is there, no, environment indicators. What is there? Environmental sanitation, or what are the diseases will caused by the improper environment. Okay, they are not following sanitation of environment. Okay, they are getting some type of diseases. In previous videos we are discussed, some viruses, some bacteria will cause some diseases by the environment improper sanitation. Okay, environment cleanliness లేకపోవడం వల్ల bacteria, viruses will be easily growth, the diseases will be easily spread to the one person to another person. Okay, that information will be identified by using these environmental indicators. Okay, next one is the social indicators. Okay, in social indicators what happens means here formation of some families. Okay, in social indicators, formation of some families, household or teaching and educational services. Okay, here the social indicators, group of families will be there in the community. Okay, or some different types of colonies is there in the community. Okay, 1 or 2 colonies or 3 colonies or only single colony divided 2 or 3 family members for improving their life or for improving their educational status or for improving their employment status. Okay, we are divided and we are giving some guidance to the population. Okay, for well settled purpose or for improving their awareness regarding diseases or for what is needed for their life. Okay, next one is the basic need indicators. Okay, in basic need indicators, here the death due to the diseases. Basic need indicators means death due to the diseases. How many members are suffering with the death by the diseases. Okay, number of people, number of patients will be die due to the diseases, no. Okay, in that what is the patient or what is the reason for disease or what is the reason for death of the population. Okay, that will be identified by these basic need indicators. Okay, these are the health indicators is there. By using these health indicators, we are collecting correct information regarding community. Okay, they need some guidance or counseling, or they need some nutritional supplements, or they need water supply, or they need environmental sanitation, or they need some employment, or they need some what is that what is these disabilities. Okay, for example, physically handicapped people is there, means unfortunately they are having undergone the amputation. Okay, then as a healthcare provider we are giving some life support to them. Okay, healthcare providers, they are giving some certificate like handicapped, they are showing to the some people, they are giving some job placements. Okay, like that these indicators will be used for giving guidance or for improving the patient health. Okay, for collecting complete health information of a community.